Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to find a solution about banned account on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. In first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Bumble app. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors, so you can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Bumble dating app and you can update your app here as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.